If you want to remove a payment method from your Indeed account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the correct account associated with the payment method you wish to remove. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the page, then selecting account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled payment methods or billing. Click on this option to view all payment methods currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you want to remove. There should be an option next to it such as remove or delete. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to finalize the removal. You should receive a notification that the payment method has been successfully removed. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from your Indeed account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Indeed's customer support for assistance.